Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss exponents, radicals, and surds. Okay. What are exponents? Exponent is defined as the method of expressing large numbers in terms of powers. That means exponent refers to how many times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 6 is multiplied by itself 4 times. That is 6 into 6 into 6 times 6. This can be written as 6 power 4. Here 4 is the exponent and 6 is the base. This can be read as 6 is 6 raised to the power 4. The symbol used for representing the exponent is given to be this. This symbol is called a caret. For example, 4 raised to 2 can be written as 4 power 2 or 4 square. Therefore, 4 power 2 is 4 into 4, that is 16. Okay, what are surds? Surd is a simple irrational number under square root. But it gets complex when two or more surds come together or when surds link with topics like integration and trigonometry. These rules aid you to break the ice of complexity and find an accurate solution. Okay, what are radicals? A radical or root is the mathematical opposite of an exponent, in the same sense that addition is the opposite of subtraction. The smallest radical is the square root represented with the symbol square root. The next radical is cube root represented by this symbol. Remember, if different bases have the same power, the bases can be multiplied or divided. Any number other than 0 raised to the power of 0 is 1. All surds are radicals, but not all radicals are surds. Irrational numbers and surds are not synonymous. Radicals that cannot be reduced to whole numbers should always be expressed in their simplest form, namely as the product of the whole number and the surd. Radicals should never appear in the denominator of a fraction. When they do, the fraction should be manipulated so as to show in the numerator. Okay, fill in the blanks. Surd is a square root that cannot be reduced to a dash number. The reciprocal of 1 plus y is dash. The third power of the base 5 is this. X power 1 by 3 is expressed in the radicand form as this. A base raised to the power of dash is equal to 1. Try to attempt these blanks on your own before we move on to the answer. Okay. True or false? State whether the following are true or false. Square root 8 and square root 6 produces a surd. Every irrational number is a surd. The product law of indices shows that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m times n. When x cube is divided by x power 5, the answer is x power minus 4. So try to attempt these questions on your own before we move on to the answers. Take a minute or two. Okay, so these are the answers of true and false. Did you do them correctly? Try to check your answers. Okay, stay the base and the exponents in each of the following. Square root 3 power 4, 4. 2 power minus 3 whole power 5. X power minus 4. Square root 5 power 0. Okay. Uh, Square root 3 power 4, the base is square root 3, exponent is 4. For 4, the base is 4, exponent is 1. For 2 power minus 3 whole power 5, the base is 2 power minus 3 and the exponent is 5. For x power minus 4, the base is x and the exponent is minus 4. For square root 5 power 0, the base is square root 5 and the exponent is 0. So this is how we find the base and exponents in the